Good evening. Welcome to Prestige Worldwide. It is Sunday night, February 6th, 2022. It is 8:55 on the East Coast. I'm a few minutes behind on this break. It's the 2021 Leaf Metal Football 5-box break number 1. It's an eBay break. Everybody's in ready to go, so let's get ripping. As always, if you want a mag case or one touch on your card, shipping insurance, or signature confirmation for your order, you need to check that out through the store at pwcards.com. Cards ship within 24 to 48 hours, so if you like those services, make it happen sooner rather than later. All right. Let me see, where's my little... We will start with Steven Scott. Stevie Scott is on the Nunn team right now. Let me get my team list up. I guess that would help. Okay, there we go. Touchdown Kings, Sage Surratt. Detroit, the Green Sage Surratt, John S. Andre Cisco. Where's Andre at? Well, I'm not seeing Andre on my list, but Warren Jackson. Why am I shaking? Must be that arm. Warren Jackson. And how about a nice Jamar Chase? And he put the number 1 on it for you. Cincy with the big hit. Boom. Rafi B. Congratulations, Rafi, on that Jamar Chase. Yeah, there were some nice autos in that last break. No doubt. All right, box number 2. How about a Penny Sewell? Pink Penny Sewell. Greg Rousseau, Buffalo. Jason B. Ooh, hoo, hoo. How about a Patrick Surtain? Denver. Can we see that? There it is. Gary M. Javian Hawkins, the Sharpie auto. Atlanta, John S. And how about a Travis Etienne Touchdown Kings? Beautiful card. Jayville. Joe A. Congratulations, Joe. Box number 3. There it is. Okay. Starting box 3 off with a nice State Pride Trey Sermon. San Francisco. Jacob A. Congratulations, Jake. How about a Nico Collins purple? Why can't I see that? Huh. Kalen Hill. Nice clean looking card there. And we have another State Pride. This one's Sean Wade. Baltimore. Joe A. How about a Zach Wilson? Your New York Jets. Going out to John S. Looking for a Bolton. We'll see what we can do, man. Come on. There it goes. All right, box number 4. Touchdown Kings, Tariq Black. How about Dylan Moses, the blue? Can you see it? There it is. Dylan Moses. Amari Rogers. Purple. Terrell Slayton with a Tenacious D auto. Tardell. Packers. Green Bay is going to be Jeremiah M. And we got a Touchdown Kings, Elijah Moore. Look at that thing. All right, box number 5. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. We will start with a Chris Evans. Chris Evans. No Browns yet. Tamron Terry. The none spot. The green. How about a Zaven Collins? Arizona. Corey H. Emir Smith Marset, purple. Minnesota. Andrew E. And finishing up, we've got a Jalen Waddle. How about that? The gold. Numbered 1/1 on the Jalen Waddle. Boom. What a way to finish, huh? Miami, the big hit. Joe A. So that's the break. We'll get the video uploaded to YouTube, get these cards packaged up and shipped out to you. Have a great night, everybody.